yung isip nila nung pag-uwi namin na atin. So, na-mention ko sa vlog ko na may mga pagbabago sa aming next trip. Ito, ang pagbabago. Kasi, yun, wala ko Philippines again this year for Christmas. And final na yung decision na yun. So, we will book it. Now, ako din nag-book. Kasi na, ano po yung flight na gusto namin, yung date, meron na na-finalize na yung date. Ang aking credit card din ay hindi aabot sa 1 year. Kasi hindi is gonna be 2 years old. So, mas mataas na yung kanyang pamasahe. And pwede naman, balik ko lang yung debit card ko. Yung hapon ko kasi sa credit card, and the main reason why kumuha ako ng credit card talaga is parang kuha ako ng libreng travel insurance. So, that's the main thing kaya ako ng credit card because I hate dealing with credit cards, I hate dealing with additional cards, sana yung debit card ko lang. So, for so many years, I was just using my debit card. But, I think hindi ko na alam kung ilang taon na yung credit card ko yun, but it has been very helpful. Kasi hindi na namin kailangan bayad ng mga travel insurance. And we get travel insurance every time we travel overseas. So, very useful sa akin. Travel insurance namin, like, yun na kami, kasi may baka sa kami, kaya sa mga nakakabili yung travel insurance yung kami. So, nakakatulong talaga sa akin yung travel insurance. And that's because meron akong yung offer ng credit card, kasi mga offers nila is baka ng libreng travel insurance. So, yun, like, I have applied for them to increase the limit. I think Friday din ginawa. Tawagan lang din ako kanina. Tapos, sinend ko yung last documents ko for it. Sabi nila, they will come back to me in 24 to 48 hours. Actually, ulitin ko yung kami pumaas na ako. Masarap akong makahal. So, I don't know. Pero yung siya, wala na tayo isipin. Like, and then, anyone else? Of course, the adding serves. Do you want eight? Here, so I'm gonna go and see the numbers when I get up to me. Right? It's got great food.